Enable BitLocker encryption. Open Control Panel. BitLocker Drive Encryption. You can also encrypt a hard disk or USB drive by right-clicking on the necessary drive in the folder of this PC and choosing the element Turn on BitLocker. If this option doesn't appear in the list, then it means that you are using an operating system without BitLocker support. In the Opening BitLocker Drive Encryption window, you will see all removable and non-removable data storage devices connected to this PC. Let's enable BitLocker for disk D. Turn on BitLocker. In the window that opens, you have to select how to unlock the disk. There are two options: use a password or use a smart card to unlock the disk. Smart cards are often used in large companies to unlock drives. This method requires having a smart card and a special reader device. After I check the box next to the password setting option, the fields to enter the password become active. Enter it twice and then click Next. Remember that it should be at least 8 characters long. The next step in enabling BitLocker is to set up and back up a recovery key in case the main password is lost. Before encrypting the disk, the BitLocker will give you a recovery key. This key will decrypt an encrypted disk if the password is lost or entered incorrectly several times, and in all other cases when there is no password or the system won't recognize it. You can save the key to a file, print it, and keep with other important documents, or upload it to your Microsoft account. If you save a recovery key to your Microsoft account, you'll be able to access it later by following this link: onedrive.leaf.com/recoverykey. You can find it in the description. Make sure you are going to keep this key in a safe place. If anyone gets it, they will be able to decrypt the disk and get access to your files. It is reasonable to have several copies of the key and keep them in different places. If you have no key and something happens to your main unlock method, your encrypted files will be lost forever. I choose Save to a file. To demonstrate it, I save the recovery key to desktop, but I don't recommend doing that. Save. Yes. You can check at once if the file is in the directory where you saved it. Here is the key file. The recovery key contains 48 characters. Here it is. After BitLocker is turned on, it will automatically encrypt new files as they are created or modified, but you can choose what to do with the files that already exist on your hard disk. You can encrypt used space only or encrypt the entire drive. Encrypting the entire drive takes much longer, but it will protect you against recovering deleted files. If you are setting up BitLocker on a new computer, then encrypt used space only. It will be faster. I choose Encrypt entire drive. Next. Beginning with build 15.11, Windows 10 features a new encryption mode, XTC-AES. This encryption method provides additional integrity support, but it is incompatible with earlier versions. Start encrypting. The encryption process starts. You can use the computer while the process is running, but it will make it slower. In the system tray, the BitLocker icon appears, so click on it to see the progress of encryption. After the disk is encrypted, there will be a special icon shown on the disk in Windows Explorer. When trying to access the disk and its data, you will need to enter a password to unlock it. If you forgot the password, you can enter the recovery key here. If you check the box next to Turn on Auto Unlock, then the disk will unlock every time you reconnect it to this computer, but it applies more to removable media. After the disk is unlocked, all files it contains will be available for use. The disk will be locked again